So penye mo say enkofo mo ban people in authority. Asema wo ka no. Say woni mi say ye but also tan ni pa ni na wo ka. But omo ye wi ade kro na wo ka sa no omo ye wi a omo se ye mo maba so.
So omo take credit no.
I've said it time and again say me nyin tum dase e bo league. Ni e bo league ni yan kan no wa di first nko a. Ye nya na sa wo ba bia bu so penyi. Na de be mo obi aye competitive say uko Premier League na Raf omo ma wi ko relegation no. Obi person avoid 20th position no di 19th mom because o place 19th na e bi obenya 5 million pounds more. Enti say my win to the media match no e bi ni ho they've make omo make sure at least to a large extent omo eliminate sa de say Mario say 18th 19th and 20th na relegation 3 but Mario ba me person me 18th na me the relegation because I will get 8 million pounds more than the OD 20th no. So we yes ade na uma competition e bad ye nim. Asem where you can 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago no. Now we come because utan obi. Now we come because the oti ever president so nya woni pa nti na wo ka. Today Kate and his people have seen wisdom in Adiana. Yesu try yakana no omabeye ye mo mabazo buzafanyi.
Okay.
Anya we yasi udi 10 fa ubenya 20,000. Udi 9 ubenya 30,000. At least there is a difference of 10,000, 100 million eda ho. Enti yes, sanka me di 10 fa 9 fa. Me ama anwe me nko Africa bia. Eteduru ana the matches 3 points di agro. But e bia 10,000 Ghana cedis ni nti no. A bit man will be a competitive. Oh, so let's give it to the Football Association.
Okay.
This is something that yakasa ket Mr. Wenye innovation. Na yana ket the problem here ne kasa no. Nana part of Africa 30,000 35,000 na ket the aban say a good initiative but I'm Japan once again. Or see this will make Ghanaian class competitive in Africa. Kate, open sa brofo ndodo. Sa na yakofa be power si kan buy now say now you league ne the rest of Africa be compete. Say you can $700,000. $700,000. Yeah, then you need the rest of Africa compete. And to ya na ho na the problems no what happening. But this is the GPL winner. $35,000, $35,000. Kate, MZ Dreams elbow confederation to force right now. And say to me press competition ni nya pe si wo sikana e bia say the oje league no
this year so ma obi a
30 na me say nya pe.
Okay.
At least obi bo Champions League obi bo Confederations Cup and until you bo Champions League ni nyina wi ade obaje ne kwabra ni sika nso jade oje Confederations Cup ade na competition e different and to say sika no say na ti ade opa 553 we mu de so fa koka Champions League no nko 45 that's a man 5 to MTN FA Cup the N5 at least my was a difference wom but ade no Bobby dreams Bobby and ade wo fie ye ade wo fie ye James says but James area but Abu's opinion this is good but it is not what is going to make the Ghanaian clubs competitive in Africa. Get that straight e boapa why because I'm one Abu's opinion $35,000 just got say the OG league ni ska onya no $35,000 too many $35,000 so for Africa what one pa but and yes me every president Riko say because of Saudi when Ghanaian clubs are going to be competitive in Africa no because get team no dreams now say a Tunisian club a Moroccan team an Algerian side an Egyptian team fan say get players no mo bon ya de opposite to mu 5 obeto top 5 ni nyina ko
say me dem de 9 ko.
So ade be me e competitive ni we nkwa but e good obi obetema bia ka say Ghanaian na mediama on la zulala no say bi mu ma mo 100 million e bi mu ma mo 1 billion obi ma mo 100,000 Ghana cedis say $35,000 e buru 100,000 Ghana cedis baby it e good say Saudi na baba maka cho say e
yes sir
when we get people who are really interested in our football playing in Africa and sese be ya dia ewura clubs e Ghana na ankane na and mafo no say ye begimbre no no di football mu go school be Raf they were able to convince central government sese Raf FC qualifies on the Champions League aban first kana man na mo plane ticket or dey kwa ban there any hotel or bedan as a Ghana by they were able to convince central government to invest in that market say we should get there the investment na Ghana by Sikab Ghana by the Shop Blasters in no any other national teams in no say Ghana by decide say a Ghanaian club qualify for Africa ni plane ticket be pay player what to the nya by asem usika be 12 players kan coach akofa ni sika be nya Ghana by asem nemom Asante Kotoko Tunisia Kotoko Algeria Kotoko Mali Kotoko ha ese Ghana ban to make flight arrangement etuaka edema Ghanaian club no ko ba Africa okay obi be say na say press or team no obi dia e no ye ni team abusuye woni o ma bebrebe ye nkrofo dia okro ma ban SS ka ho obi dia but unfortunately omo di ball anim no omoko ka blaster de na ba omo direct ntino and na ye omoko di nkomo I think that we should get to where we will begin to convince the government say Ghanaian da bia me busa mo say o ma and yes Gabon so I go for my cool unfortunately there are people who staying in this country celebrating that nonsense going on was our French speaking countries and say and the politicians are corrupt enti bia na bia ba unni ma kura ho kana na soldier for no betu abagu mo ya comfortan say constitutional government there ye tiri tira radio so ka soldier brand so offense ka be daka so ka be wa before goku and people are in Ghana enjoying this
yeah dio
I have a pile I can't see the paper no kuma uncle funny age say ni Canada say baba Niger na ko Cameroon amu say aka Cameroon ni Senegal enti baba Ghana na wona wote radio so na wo kan no ka to so ja ba no baba akwa mo radio so akasa
choice yanko
akwai pa be jira wo say wa ku wo press conference yo ta kwa no ja wo ko no adwere nkwa no de be wi
last year
ka mo so Chicago
enya and $27,000 this time
that because say we use prevailing interest rate exchange rate at the time and $30,000 o make cabo
this time over 100,000
over 100,000 there. No, I am confused about the calculations that
500,000
Ghana cedis. 500,000 Ghana cedis. They knew $100,000, baby. But I'm still confused because they are still computing figures. Some account what is that there? I'm going to talk about as gold free mono. Me say me shake mo ya calculation am na be so $100 and something thousand. Me ntias here 500,000 Ghana cedis bu ya penyin nuru $43,000. Yes, 43,000.
I say 43. Dollar no yes 11.44.
O de no answer 500.
Minimum dollar ba o convert ya. U busa yi so on convert ma o ba minimum dollar rate.
Sir. The amount omo de sa $100,000 figure ne buy ne say omo kan de obenya wo prize money. Plus TV rights
support no
plus best power sponsorship plus cost for 50,000.
Better na cost see kana de am say mfankoti cost team no wo de abeka say a prize money ya menya there be some kabo marafa de wo yan team prema anka mo bisa wo say wo ma miska ya added burden says kana mo so mo de makabo bi 50,000.
Oh okay, now it's a winning prize na nka so de $43,000 nemum omo de support 35,000 now they kwa Africa
no
and omo keka ni nyina
they my no
yeah say wo gia
and my the FA can be in a financial situation the FA can be in a financial situation where 30,000 now
it will work yeah bremo
no no first no there be the boss
one tia sem na meka ye no is some border no open we nya
enya sabusa panyi me say so na wo hodada first na ministry ni mo obi aska kin first akodi bi akoba Africa man van go ministry jai so there's and I'm saying they guarantees obenya and they are coming but how can you add also been got cost team oh man 50,000 for the full season Busa coach Kamara say wo cost team course no Raf your book course from under 12 duty course our under 12 14 and 17 so I say nkran ko match course you know Busa your officials me no match your book 12 14 and 17 nyina
na sa de bono
say nyina sa no bono enti ya be 12 14 17 fansan kra no course ebia 2020 players Bas red on bako say 60 coach is my omo maka nkan
wow
akra ne be yes ade ni nyina mo say district level na won say dia mama say wo dia akwa mi wini ade won say mi wini a de mi nya no e kana team no be say bro no but I'm saying say omo ya ade it is an improvement e wo de ne e wo ba bia ne agina no ya improve and abuso ye mu bi ya ka say mo say ma ya ka say target but na ka ta ba ya de corner ne ya ka ya ka say ma ya ka say ta kwasi ya ntachi ya ntan obia but ball no unim say with Saudi GFA new revenue stream bia my raf the FA has not declared a new revenue stream say
be a sponsor
the sika we have be bomb to it is something they could have done before at the time na here can no mu ye be but ye be toba etiquette we say obi abek I say me na say by election ba na gidigidi wo so wo be secheduma se kwan na the ordinary person wo secheduma se ehun say na ma buy was Canada na MP win no anya kwan yi ana fa na MP wi ya buy election ti wo buy kwan na o man nkofo MPP di ko wini ba ko kuma wo kwase South o jwan e backfire nkofo bu fu say mu nim say mu betima ya kwan na ma ya mai enti yes it is a good thing. Okay. My point is that this is something the FA could have done because FA didn't declare any new source of funding biasa say is kebiaba na me bucket abaso no mami sanka check say on say abusuaba GFA support for clubs to campaign in Africa no almost $18 for FA
yes
nana fam ko table ba ko no mo to CDC be na maskana e kakraka blaster si kan so mama mo kan say in dollars in cedis
but said the obviously I don't know more than in dollars and I don't know in Ghana
500,000 also at 500,000 cedis into uji league na Ralph boy unya say $43,000 that is how much you be given but who say to state it and make it look kakraka no ya 500,000 kakraka 80,000 but about 20,000 10th position 20,000 I'm heard it what about dollars 10 position 20,000
20,000 Ghana cedis no
on obenya 20,000 Ghana cedis $5 na me twa this year $20,000 na the odi 10 for the benya but see the bad dollar near hard here Ghana cedis
20,000 Ghana cedis
$1,748 into new 2,000
$1,748 so odi 10 for
yeah, this is just the beginning.
I'm saying Sabushia, very good.
Sure.
But on $35,000 now, and when you move FNO, Opa change $35,000 and so called cities. Other no more clubs, GFA support for clubs participating in Oman Tron cities. Who's a Quebec?
Sure.
It is sanity, but these are things that we expect them to do. And Tiabusia, so Maya, make me enough video is my boy, Ket any Efidabaso. Omaya there they can still do more makacho say enyo man ko 4 year e di peja bo mu abusia enye bi ne ye na no so when they start doing these little ones we will give it to them your bucket abaso your ball esco abaso omaya there but of course enye enough and I na ket and refining the language ne kakra say there na adwen say oma Ghanaian club $35,000 and ye one ali gina baby pe on a sundown to Gina pet there be. Only woman pet. But of course, what Buanama and how be other done so? Yeah, Africa or Ghana, Ghanaian class. Obian was upon your own vision is Okobaji. And none of my losing sundowns for Omubu of last season. They should have won the Craft Champions. You wouldn't some call meeting. Omufu coach and say, Yen and Nezia Jadian. One to man, intend to know you. Ghanaian club, they say, oh, you perceive Drew money soon. Yen name see a performance, you knew baby a kwaji. It yes boy am yet me about do bia ya target here be next stage you know but of course it is a good thing and the FA any omumpanyi for you.
First me that's a message about so you blast